Based on the current market conditions on May 24, 2026, many U.S. Forex traders are beginning to favor buying the euro against the U.S. dollar in the euro to U.S. dollar market. The biggest reason behind this shift is growing expectations that the Federal Reserve may slow future rate pressure if the U.S. economy continues showing signs of cooling. Whenever traders believe the dollar could weaken, money often flows toward the euro, creating bullish momentum in euro to U.S. dollar. At the same time, parts of the European economy are starting to stabilize, which is improving confidence in the euro after months of uncertainty. Another important reason traders are watching euro to US dollar closely is because global institutions and hedge funds continue placing massive trading volume into this pair every single day. The market remains highly liquid, spreads stay low, and price movement becomes easier to analyze compared to many other forex pairs. If upcoming US inflation and employment reports come in weaker than expected, the dollar could lose even more strength, giving the euro additional upside potential in the short term. However, experienced traders are still staying cautious because the forex market can reverse quickly if strong US economic data suddenly appears. A surprise rise in US growth, inflation, or Federal Reserve confidence could strengthen the dollar again and push euro to US dollar lower. That is why professional traders are focusing heavily on economic reports, market sentiment, and technical confirmation before entering larger trades. Conclusion. For now, the stronger short-term trading opportunity appears to be leaning toward buying euro to US dollar rather than betting heavily on continued dollar strength. The strongest reason is that markets are slowly shifting toward expectations of a softer US dollar environment while confidence in the euro is beginning to recover. If current momentum continues and US economic data weakens further, many traders believe euro to US dollar could continue moving higher, making euro buy positions more attractive for short-term forex trades.